Welcome back to another Excel tutorial. Today we want to explore how to use shortcuts to navigate efficiently through Excel. Shortcuts in Excel and other spreadsheet applications like Google Sheets are essential tools for any user looking to streamline their workflow and enhance productivity. These keystroke combinations allow you to perform tasks more efficiently than navigating through menus or using a mouse. Whether it's formatting cells, manipulating data, or navigating through complex workbooks, shortcuts offer a quick and direct way to access features and execute commands. So let's just start with the first shortcut, which is move one cell to the left. And if I'm anywhere in the workbook, I can just press the left arrow to move one cell to the left, and I can use the right arrow to move one cell to the right. Of course, I can also move up and down by using the up and down arrow, as you can see there. If you want to go to the left cell, you can also use Shift and Tab, and the Tab key is the one above the caps lock key. If you're wondering, yeah, there's another way of doing it, but I just prefer to use the normal arrows because it's, I think, more efficiently and easier to remember. If you want to go one screen to the left or one screen to the right, you have to use Fn plus Option plus up or down arrow. As I'm at the very left already of my workbook, I will first go to the right. So I click Fn plus I click Option plus the down arrow. And as you can see, it will go one page to the right, one page to the right, one page to the right. And if I want to go back, I press Fn plus Option plus up arrow, and I can go back. Pretty simple tool or pretty simple shortcut to use, but very efficient if you work with larger sets of data. If you want to move one screen up or one screen down, you can do the same, like with the right and to the left. Therefore, you have to use Fn and the up and down arrow. And right here, I will also start with the down arrow. So move one screen down, as I'm already at the very top of my Excel worksheet. So if I want to go down, I just click Fn plus down arrow. And if I want to go up again, I still hold Fn and just press the up arrow again. Pretty easy. If you want to move to the left edge of your data region or to the right edge of your data region, you have to press Command and right arrow and Command or left arrow. So I will start by going to the right. So pressing Command and the right arrow. And now you'll first get to the first column of your table, because the left data right here isn't inside the table. So it will start by table. If you're inside the table, you will directly jump to the end of the table. But if you are outside the table, you will first get into the table. And if I press Command and the right arrow again, I'll get to the right corner of my table. If I hold Command and I press the left arrow, I'll get back to the first column of my table. And if I press left arrow again, I get completely to the left side of my worksheet. We can do the same with the top edge of the data region and the bottom edge of the data region. For this, we use Command and down arrow and Command and up arrow. So if I press Command and down right here, I'll get to the last row of my data. And if I press Command and up arrow, I'll get to the header row of my data. Yeah. If you want to move to the left worksheet, you can press Fn plus Command plus up arrow, and you can go back by pressing Fn, Command, and the down arrow. And one really cool thing about those shortcuts is you can always also mark cells if you just do the shortcut that I showed you and you hold Shift as well. So for example, if I want to mark my column D, we see that I can go to the end of the column by clicking Command and down arrow. And if I also hold Shift right now, it will mark those cells. So if I hold Shift, Command and down arrow, it will mark everything. And now if I want to mark the whole table, I can hold Shift, Command and right arrow. And as you can see, it will mark the complete table. And there are other shortcuts how to mark data in Excel efficiently. which I'll show you in the next video. I hope you liked this video about navigation shortcuts. If you did like it, please give this video a thumbs up and see you in the next video.